Okay, here's our situation. We got the blowout out, the tire shredded, got wrapped around the whole brake assembly here. You can see in here, damage it did, it bent this. So we're about to take a sledgehammer, try and bend this out of the way because we can't get the tire on. All right?
So look at this. This is curved, this is straight.
Yep, that's curved and back. That's straight. So that's just some of the damage that we've come across. All right, go ahead and beat it out.
I'm going to go with...
Yeah. Hey, right there.
Here?
Yep.
I am right-handed.
Yeah, he is right-handed.
I know, but I'm giving you a second.
You got gloves on?
Yes.
Can you do this? Let's cut my hand.
All right. Do your highest point at a time.
All right, and then he's going to hold.
Yeah.
Let me fill the customer in too.
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
First thing was tire delaminated, wrapped around your brake caliber and everything, so we had to get that off.
And it's loose, by the way.
Yeah, it's loose. I'll show you. I don't want to get in the way while he's beating. We have to straighten up this because we couldn't get the tire off.
I figured. I saw it.
And it's in such a bad shape. Your tire, brand new tire, was 40 psi low. We filled it up, but we had to let all the air out so we could get it on to put it on. So we're going to put more in after we get it up. But we're doing modifications right now.
But it's straighter than what it was.
If you come this way, hold on, guys. Let me show them something.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, you saw that? Okay, I just wanted to make sure I did it for. I'm videoing for your insurance company too. Okay. Okay. Take your time, breathe.
Yeah, let me. Yeah, take
All right.
breathe. I'm going
All right.
move this to the side. Okay.
Actually, that should be good. Go ahead and put those up.
Yeah, put the balance up.
No, that needs to
I
stay.
know. I'm just looking
You okay?
Yep.
All right.
Let's do this.
Do it. So a slight modification there. We're getting it done. Line those up real good. I know you just want to get it home and get it in the water and have some fun.
Looks good now.
Have you tried her out yet?
Doing it.
No. Let us know if you want us to come over there and put our knee against it.
I got it.
You're close.
He had it that one time.
I know, but
Yeah.
I was thinking we could get around it, but we had to beat that straight.
Yeah.
There we go. Come on, baby. Cooperate.
A little bit of rotation. Yeah. There we go.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Stop it. Come on.
Check your top too.
That's what I'm measuring.
Yeah. Get on that side there.
Lighting. There we go. There it is.
Okay. All right, now get another grab on Ben. I need you to help push too.
We need the baby sludge.
No. Use that, Mike. All right, you bring down and me and him are going to push. Do a little bit, say 5 o'clock and 7. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. All right, let's get the lugs on the top.
Yes.
We got enough, don't we?